Are you claiming all allowable expenses as a Renovator or CIS Construction builder? HMRC 2023 or 2024. What expenses have you not taken into account for CIS, wholly and exclusively for business use? Motor expenses, machinery and protective equipment. Uniform, insurance, travel expenses, subsistence. Our accountants can shed more light on allowable expenses as this is a specialist area. What are the biggest tax savers, capital expenses can you claim under CIS? The prime example is a car you use for business. Did you know, electrical cars only have a benefit in kind charge of 2%? Can you claim motor vehicle costs as a CIS builder? This depends on the structure. If you use the vehicle only for business purposes, you can claim vehicle costs such as any repairs made to the motor vehicle, road tax, parking. Please note there is BIK charges and this will need to be discussed with an accountant due to complexity. What you cannot claim in HMRC's view. Did you know you cannot claim any parking fines incurred if you are the only driver? Entertaining costs, the breakdown cover. CIS workers can claim travel and subsistence expenses while working temporarily. If the workplace contract is less than 24 months, it is temporary. What other administrative costs are you missing out on? Postage, stationery, telephone expenses, accountancy fees. Are you aware of the reverse charge rules? We at GM Professional claim all the allowable expenses accordingly, in order to meet client expectations to a high standard. Be sure to subscribe for the latest tax updates.